second graders, today is Thursday, May 14th. The objective today is I can identify and draw fractions. Before we start, I want to tell you about a couple mistakes I found. First, I just realized that there are 2 extra pages in your packet. One page has numbers 3 and 4, like this. Another page has number 5. They were repeated. This is a mistake, so I don't want you to have to do these problems twice. Sorry about that. Second, the dimensions are different on the printed copies than they're supposed to be. And so to fix this, you can either redraw the correct dimension. You can see on this, I sort of extended my rectangle a little bit. It should be 15 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Or you could also just redraw a rectangle that has dimensions of 15 centimeters by 6 centimeters. And I'm going to use this one today just to make it a little bit less busy visually. To complete this task, you'll need to use a centimeter ruler. So here's my centimeters here. And I want you to use a ruler because I want you to use precision and truly create equal groups. So I'm going to go over number 4. Now number 4 said, divide this rectangle into 3/3 a different way. Shade 2/3, and how do you know that it's 2/3? So make sure you've tried this on your own first before I go over it. All right, so thinking about this one. Separating the rectangle into 3/3. Okay, well I know that I want 3 parts, and I know that my, rectangle should be 15 centimeters. Okay, so I know that my rectangle is 15 centimeters. So I'm thinking if I want 3 parts, I need to think plus is going to equal 15. What plus what equals 15? Oh, 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Okay, so let me try that. That means I'm going to take my centimeter ruler, since I want to use precision, and I'm going to place it sort of in the middle, close-ish to the middle, and I'm going to make a little tick mark at 5 and 10, and then create my lines. You can even actually do it up above, in the middle, and down below, so that way you truly get some straight lines there. Try that. 5 and 10. And then you would line up those little tick marks that you made. Actually, I'll do it in black so you guys can see it a little better. There's 1 and 2. Okay, so 3 equal parts. Okay, the directions on our paper say to, divide the rectangle 3/3 a different way. Shade 2/3. Okay, so I divided it, and now I want to shade it, and I want to shade 2/3. That means each section here is called 1/3. So if I want to shade 2/3, I need to shade 2 of the 3 pieces. So, actually maybe I'll use a blue marker so you can see it a little better. I'm going to color in 1 and 2 parts to this rectangle. That's 2/3. Okay, I want to show you another way that I can look at this. I'm going to go back to 3 here. So, because it does say to show a different way. So in case you did this for the first way, I'm going to show you a different way to look at it. Okay, so 1/3. I'm going to look at now the width of the rectangle. And the width of the rectangle is 6 centimeters. Okay, so I want 3 parts. It's 6 centimeters. So plus is equal to 6. Okay, what plus what is equal to 6? Oh, 2. 2, 4, 6. So that means that each section is going to be 2 centimeters wide. Okay, so I'll take my ruler and add a few tick marks here on 2 and on 4. And because it is so long, I am going to do 3 this time. 2, 4, and then 2, 4. And use the black pen so you can see it better. Let's see. There's 1. And 2. There's 3 equal parts. I know they're equal because each rectangle is 2 centimeters by 15 centimeters. And if I follow directions, it says to shade 1/3. So I'm going to shade 1 of the 3 pieces. There is 1/3 shaded. Down below, there are 2/3 shaded. So 1 part of the 3 is 1/3. 2 parts of the 3 is 2/3. All right, your task today is to finish completing this worksheet. Challenge yourself thinking about how you can make equal groups. Have fun. See you later. Bye.